Yes, I did just film kind of a cool video, pretty much a piece of shit. So anyway, welcome to the channel. So as you know, I had a 2002 Chevy Avalanche that I've been using for my tow vehicle, off-roader, just all around kind of a fun vehicle. However, I decided it's time to up my towing game because as well as that truck did, well, it was okay. It's a 1500, and when it comes down to it, I need to be able to tow more than that. Between towing the car, it got terrible gas mileage. Overall, the suspension was a coil rear, not a leaf, so I couldn't even reinforce it, which kind of sucks. I looked into airbags, that didn't go anywhere. Best I could do is a weight distribution hitch, and in all honesty, I didn't feel comfortable towing close to 7. Sometimes, I mean, now I can go well beyond by getting anywhere near 10,000 pounds with a 1500. So pretty much decided to trade it for a 2001 Dodge Ram 24-valve Cummins. So I'm going to go ahead and take you around and we'll go over the truck real quick. So this is it. This is a 2001 Dodge Cummins, bone stock. It has, well, it's not totally bone stock. It does have a tuner in it, not adjustable tunes, but it seems to run pretty good, so I don't plan on messing around with it. And we're going to call this truck Project Slate. And the reason for that is we're pretty much starting with a clean slate. So it's not pretty. I definitely hear you there. The exterior honestly isn't too bad, but we're going to go ahead and do a quick run around. Dent, something. The bed is in actually pretty good shape. It's just super messed up, so a bed liner will take care of that, get rid of some of those little rust spots. The main reason I went ahead and was cool doing the trade though is because this is pretty much a rust-free truck, which is super rare for a Dodge. However, they do have trans problems. This one I'm 90% confident. I say 90% because the paperwork to back it up. Has an aftermarket torque converter in there. I know that because the way it shifts, and the dude said so. So on top of that, I do believe the transmission was also taken care of at Suncoast Transmissions. Pretty good. So trans is solid, no rust on the body, and all in all, I mean, it is what it is. It's a pretty solid truck. It's got 220,000 miles on it. For the Cummins though, that's really not that high. Let's see, we've got a good little thing right there. Tailgate's not terrible, but I mean, it does work. It's kind of a pain. You got to click in here. So these are all stuff on the bucket list to get fixed, but just kind of doing a quick walk around. Something happened down here. Not sure what that's about. Another dent. That's really about it though. So pretty much the worst part of the truck is by far the interior. So just a quick little sneak peek. Don't worry, we're fixing all this stuff, but driver's seat's kind of disintegrated. Passenger seat's kind of disintegrated. Dash is imploded. Don't worry, it's all fixable stuff. But long story short, so you may be asking yourself, but Mr. Boost, you had a perfectly good truck. Why did you trade it? Well, when it comes down to it, it was really good at doing a little bit of off-roading and light towing. I need something that can actually tow heavier stuff. So went ahead and snapped this up. So anyway, guys, I hope you're ready for some videos on the Cummins build. I definitely have plans for this thing. Do not get me wrong. Exterior-wise, fix some of the smaller stuff. And I would definitely either level it or do a lift kit because I do not like sitting this low. Compared to the new trucks, this thing is basically a car. But yeah, wheels, tires, headlights, grill, taillights. List goes on of stuff I want to do to this thing. But for right now, I'm going to be focusing on the interior and getting this thing to where I enjoy driving it more. And that's really about it. So this was the first of many videos to come on my 2001 Dodge Ram. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it's kind of short, nothing really crazy, but that's introducing the truck. So in the future, probably the next couple videos you're going to see, I'm going to be redoing a lot of the interior and getting that back up to spec, at least my spec, where I want it at. And other than that, I mean, I think that's about it. So thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys next video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below and I'll get back to you as best I can. Don't worry about the Shelby. I've got parts on the way for that, but nothing's come in yet, so it is what it is. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Hell yeah. All I need now is some skull, a monster snapback, and a really bad attitude.